It's neutral, magneto off. We don't want to start it.
We just undo that.
And we can move it a little in the
Pull it
front.
out.
You want to take it out or just to move it a
No.
little in the front?
It's already engaged.
What?
No, it's too much. We'll see. You want to start it?
Oh, I see it where it is now.
Make the funny noise, get ready to kill the magneto.
Okay. I don't know what was that, so I just turned it off.
No, that's fine.
It's fine?
Try it again.
Yes. It still has a little bit, but it's definitely not as
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how it starts. Let's see if it's any difference. The reason why this was we always had to tie this up, but it's because look, you see how loose it's in here? So yeah, we're gonna need to sleeve this.
So we've got to cut a slot in there.
And you're gonna put this.
Both ends, making two.
This one has been sandblasted and you can see here it's been welded in here. So here's the weak spot, I guess. It's been welded. Oh, from here, yes, it has.
This one looks like okay.
It looks something like this.
That's what that's for.
Now we wait for 20 minutes.
It will tighten up. You take that.
But
Bring
that
that
one
out
is
of
with the
it.
sleeve as well?
No, but look at this. We could make a 14 ID, 15 OD. Can bring it back.
A little closer, no? 17.
Okay. But you can go on. That happened because you pulled the taper out.
Oh dear, you're doomed. Ah, you made the surface smoother.
We've got to take that down to 0.5 millimetre. This that we've got 16. Cut it off, yes. Well, we've still got it, but look at that, thinning on a bloody choke tube.
Yes. Oh dear. Oh. Dear. No.
I think
Good idea.
get rid of the muck. The inside of the bearing had worn on the shaft.
Ah, I
What
see.
you do is you put some of this on, and it stops it going around. So what we're going to do with our tube is to put a bit of that on.
Painting.
So it should. There should be no doubt.
What is the washer on this? There. There's ice again.